modern factories look nothing like the factories of the past. Today, production is driven by automation, precision machines, and intelligent systems designed to work 24 hours a day. These smart factories are responsible for producing the everyday products we use without even thinking about where they come from. The process begins with raw materials. These materials are carefully tested before entering the production line. Quality control at this stage is critical because a small defect can affect thousands of finished products later. Once approved, materials move into automated systems. Machines cut, shape, heat, or mold components with extreme accuracy. Unlike human labor, machines repeat the same task thousands of times without losing consistency. Robotic arms play a major role in modern manufacturing. They assemble parts, weld components, and package products at high speed. Sensors constantly monitor each movement to ensure precision and safety. Smart factories also use artificial intelligence to detect errors. Cameras scan products in real time, identifying even the smallest imperfections. Faulty items are removed instantly, preventing waste and maintaining quality standards. Energy efficiency is another key focus. Modern factories are designed to reduce energy consumption through optimized workflows and smart power systems. This not only saves money but also reduces environmental impact. After assembly, products move to final testing. Stress tests, durability checks, and performance evaluations ensure that every item meets global standards before shipping. Finally, products are packaged automatically and prepared for distribution. Logistics systems track inventory and shipments, ensuring fast delivery to markets around the world. Smart factories represent the future of manufacturing. They combine technology, efficiency, and innovation to meet the growing demands of a global population.